Hello, this time I'm going to show you how to grow a mango tree from mango fruit. And this one is 1 week old mango tree and it already has some leaves. So first of all we take mango fruit and we need to find the seed. Please cut the fruit carefully. So try to clean the seed as much as you can, yeah, like that. But it's not actually the last point that we are going to work with. So if you will clean until the end, you will see a small hole in the seed. So I hope all the husk is away. Now please try to open the seed as careful as you can. Like that. I found the hole and I'm carefully trying to open the seed. Yeah, and finally we got the original seed. Here it is. Now let's clean this seed too. And if it's impossible, then just leave it. This coverage will go away in some weeks. Yeah. Now, so the next step still, we've got the seed, we've got towel paper, we've got some water and zip pocket. We will water the paper, put inside it the seed and put it in the zip pocket and leave it for 2 or 3 weeks. Please be careful to check the seed every 2-3 days and water it. And afterwards you will have such a beautiful mango tree and then this one big. Thank you very much. Bye bye.